Part 1, Asking about the family. How is your family? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any siblings? Who's the oldest sibling in your family? Do you have a big family? What are your parents like? What do your parents do? Are you married? Do you have any children? Is your family close? Part 2, Talking about your family. I have 2 sisters. I'm the middle child. She has 3 siblings. I'm an only child. My brother works as an engineer. My parents are pretty adventurous. My family is doing great. How is yours? We don't have any children. I'm a twin. My sister is going to college and is studying French. My grandparents live out west. My sister is such a daddy's girl. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. How is your family?
They are good. How is yours?
Also good. My brother just got married.
That is great. Does he have children?
Yes, I have one nephew.
How are your children?
They are very busy. They are at university.
And how is your wife?
Good, I think. She just started a new job.
That sounds great.
Welcome to English Listening Lab, your channel to test, practice, and improve your listening skill.